guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with your Shade. And this week I made a jackfruit jerk Alfredo pasta. This is how it looks. I'm going to show you how it's made in just a few minutes. Here are all the ingredients you will use. Go ahead and add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil so we can prep for the pasta. And you're going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You're going to put it on medium-high heat to prep for the vegetables. Go ahead and dice up all your vegetables. Add your pasta and boil for about 8 minutes. Add your onions and bell peppers and let it saute. And go ahead and give it a quick stir. Go ahead and remove the pasta, drain, and rinse. Shred your jackfruit and add your jerk sauce of your choice. Add it to the pot and begin to saute everything together. Add your zucchini. Go ahead and give it another stir. It's starting to look oh so good. Here's another closer look. Add your Alfredo sauce. You can use whichever one you like. And of course, give it another good stir. Now it's time to add the pasta. Add in your kale. Sprinkle in your diced cilantro. And now you can go ahead and stir everything together to allow it to all cook thoroughly. I like my Alfredo pasta to be a little bit saucy, so now we're going to add that second can. And you already know, go ahead and stir it one more time. And you know I was kidding about that last stir. So yeah, let it go ahead and cook for about another 10 minutes. And once it's done, you can go ahead and remove it from the stove. And this is how it should look. Go ahead and add it to your bowl and add some Parmesan, and it's giving a restaurant-styled pasta. It's all done, and this again is how it looks. Topped off with some Parmesan. So we're gonna dig right on in. Again, this is jackfruit, jerk sauce, and Alfredo. So here we go. So you can top with any vegetables that you like. You can use any type of jerk sauce or seasoning that you have on hand or from scratch. I didn't have any to make from scratch, so I just made do with what I could. So again, this is how it looks, and you can use whatever Alfredo sauce that you like. So here we go. Wow, you can definitely taste the jerk sauce seasoning. I got the mild. They also have hot. So again, if you want to make it from scratch, you can get your own seasonings. something different just to make, because I like spice. So yeah, this is really good. It's just a different way to make your Alfredo pasta, you know, to switch it up. Instead of doing Cajun, you can do jerk seasoning and, you know, switch it up a little bit so you can have a little bit of change. But again, this is how it looks. Try this out for yourself. I'm going to continue eating. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Try this out and let me know what you think. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.